What is up, responsible day traders? It is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I took 9 trades today. 3 of them were losses. 1 was a break even. All the rest were winners. I feel like I could have done a little bit better. I think I jumped the gun on a couple of the losses. And sorry guys, I've only got 1 pair of glasses. I can't find my other ones. And these are glary. So we're glasses free today. I so greatly appreciate all of your well wishes, all of your prayers, all of your notes about my dad. He ended up having sepsis and is in the hospital at least until tomorrow. If his blood test comes back with no infection, then he gets to come home tomorrow. If the blood test they took 2 days ago comes back with some infection in it, then he's got to go 2 more days and he can come back the next day. Tomorrow, I was gonna be here, but I probably won't be. Jason and I are working pretty hard on a course, and it's going to be something that really helps you to understand things with just 1 chart instead of having all the charts, because that is something that you might want to graduate into, having more than 1 chart, understanding everything under 1 chart, then graduating to multiple charts, maybe a path that is right for you. I feel very weird without my glasses, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I hope everybody has an excellent day. Be good to one another, treat each other with kindness, and to the dude who said my room was dirty, I'm gonna keep good thoughts for you in my heart. You know, I'd rather trade from a dirty room than be forced in somebody's office all day. I'll tell you that right now. Anyways, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and as always, enjoy the show. All right, hello guys and gals. It's been a few days. Just kind of taking a peek at everything that's going on here. Man, this looks ugly. Wow. Where yesterday it looked gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. The MACDs have come a pretty decent amount back up. The price has come way, way, way back higher. So it's got a little bit of retracement divergence kicking, which means we may see these bars pulling back while this is going up. We haven't quite made like a double high. We don't really have to. And these bars are pulling away, or BBs are pulling away, which tells us it might snap in, but I don't know if I believe in that. Good Lord, the way this looks, I may move back to the same scenario that I had the other day, or otherwise I'm going to try and hold on for way too long. Let's give it just... I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, it didn't. Okay. It got me. And it may get me in. This pulls up here. This is about the high you'd want it to go. And there we go. There we go. There you go. I really want to add 2 more, but I'm not going to right now. I don't think I'm in an add-in mindset. There we go. 1, 2, which is right at a pullback spot, y'all. Yeah, I was gonna say this is starting to show reversal bar potential to push back up. This thing's about to drop, I think. Oh, there we go. Whoa. I didn't even see that one go. Ooh. Oh, that took me out. I wonder if it's my internet that's jumpy right now. I wonder. I'm on the wrong one. Okay, give me a second. I thought these were at 2 ticks, not 1. And they may have been. It may have just pulled back and snapped me out for 1 tick. Okay. I gotta come back. I guess we'll see here in a second. I'm not going to expect this to come all the way up to this one, so and it may drop from here. I'm gonna pull that one up because I'm a wishful thinker. Okay. Well, let's see if this is gonna be the end of this move. I think I'm gonna go ahead and close. With this big snap and the way it's pulling back, it had a big tendency to pull back closer to where I had got in, actually, back here. I'm gonna give it a shot, y'all, right here. Oh, put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. Oh, and that went quick like lightning into that space. All right, let's see if this is gonna take us down to a paradise city. I'm pushing this just a bit. I'm gonna give this one more shot. Okay, we're going for those 2. Just the way the 2584 is looking, this should just roll over. Oh, nope, and pop to the downside. Roll over and play dead. Is that too much? Oh, right there, okay. Got it at the break. Okay, yeah, that one was at the break even. Y'all, this is about to break to the downside, like for real, for real. either way this goes, this is my last trade. Ooh. I'm gonna pull this one down. Okay. I want to take another short here, but this is enough for me. Let's see. I've already looked a little bit at it. I was up 21 points. I took 2 losses after that. I took a win and a break even. So 27.50. I think this is going down more, definitely, but God, do I want to let it go after all that waiting? Yeah, I do. I flippin' do. 9 trades. 9 trades, 3 losses, 1 break even, 5 winners. All right, we're gonna write this up here and be done for today. That's a lot of action for me today. I have a heavy sigh because I feel like I should be doing better using the 4 contracts over the 2. I'm a little frustrated with myself. Okay, well, I would have the glasses on, but they have a horrible glare, and I don't know where my good glasses are. So, as we used to tell the children in school when I almost became an elementary school teacher, you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. I know I'm looking rough right now, but been back and forth between the hospital this morning a couple of times, and I feel a little frustrated with the way my trading went. So I'm feeling okay with the way this is going. I'm probably going to give a few more weeks on the MES before I move back to the ES, because I want to make sure that everything is on point. Okay, especially up here with what's going on with my dad, and I had plans to trade tomorrow, but I'm probably going to be picking him up tomorrow. Fingers crossed. But otherwise, we're going to wrap that up. I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. I wish you all a wonderful, beautiful day. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.